One of the most important things you can do on a job site that's had water, this one had water because of a fire. Of course, that's how they put out fires nowadays. Get it all cleaned up. Make sure that it looks pristine and pretty so that your trades come in and have some respect for the job site because they can see that other people had respect for it. Show your homeowner that they are respected as well, that you don't have a bunch of crap all over the floor, that it's cleaned up, ready to go, plasticed off, vacuumed, nails all out of the studs, no more drywall hanging out, insulation all perfectly clean. And then look at this. This space is almost livable other than the fact that now it just needs to be put back. It's not disgusting. It's not filled with garbage and debris. That's what a good job site should look like. That's what you should try to maintain so that you have happy customers, happy trades. Be blessed, bless others, reguideservice.com, REIGUIDESERVICE.com. Later.